Hi, I'm going to show you how I solved the Anycbubic Chiron leveling prob issue. If you read my post on Facebook or Reddit, I explained what the problem was. So, the prob was crashing into the bed even if the sensor was touching the bed. In this video, I'll try to explain how it works and how to solve this problem. First of all, you'll have to unscrew the prob to access the circuit board, just like I did. Just like that. So we can get rid of that. So here's the circuit board. Once you did that, there's just a small thing to know about that. The circuit is closed when the switch is not triggered. It means the electricity can flow through the board. The little switch right here is opening the circuit, just like if you were turning off a lamp. And that's how the printer works. When the circuit is closed, the electricity can flow, and the printer understands that the probe didn't touch the bed yet. When the circuit is opened, meaning the switch has been triggered, just like that, the electricity cannot flow in the board anymore. So we get an infinite resistance. Now the printer understands the probe just touched the bed. So now we get to the problem. As you can see, the case, just like that, the case is made of metal, and there's an area in it, so the solders that are in here, there's an area in here, so the solders can touch the enclosure. But in this case, the soldered pins that were sticking out on the other side of the board, right here, they weren't cut. So they were touching the metal here. They were touching the metal enclosure and creating a shortcut. That means even if the probe was touching the bed, so triggering the switch and opening the circuit, the electricity could find its way through the metal enclosure because the pins were touching it. So the circuit remained closed, and the printer wasn't getting the information that the probe has touched the bed. So the solution is to cut the pins, just like I did. They are already cut, just right here. You can cut the 3 of them, and now the problem is solved. No shortcut anymore, and the probe is working fine. Finally, I hope this video did help you, and see you next time.